Hello guys, this is Rafa. In the last video, we talked about Teamcenter architecture. In today's video, we're gonna see the toolbar of Teamcenter and we're gonna have some hands-on experience. I have divided this toolbar section into three different types of categories. The top section, where you have your file, edit, view, tools, window, help. And the next is middle section, where you have shortcuts to your my work list, my projects, my links, my save searches, my view and markup. And in the last section, we have shortcuts to applications like structure manager, change manager, query builder, access manager, etc. Let's get into Teamcenter and see how this toolbar looks like. This is the top section. You see you have file, you have edit, you have view, you have translation, you have tools, you have window, you have help here. So when you go into file, you can create your item, folder, forms, dataset, and you can also launch a workflow from this file, and you can also create a change item, you can also create an envelope, you can also create a design. These are all out of the box items. So when you go into view, you have the refresh option. You can also see access for an object in Teamcenter, and you have also a name references, like if you have an item, if you have a dataset attached to it, if you just right click on the dataset, you can see the dataset which are attached to it. You have a translation where you can translate your datasets into different types of datasets. Like for example, you have a PDF you want to convert into Microsoft document, it can do it. So this should be a different video, where you install the dispatcher and you do the translations. And you have an option called tools here. You can check in and check out, and you have a subscription manager. You have address list, you have assigned participants, like if you have a workflow which is pending on you for the review, you can change the participants from this option. You have a window, you can change the perspectives here. I'm in my Teamcenter perspective right now. When you just click on schedule manager, it changes the perspective. So going back to my Teamcenter perspective for now. So this is the top section. When coming to the middle section, you have quick links to different types of objects here. So you have home, you have my work list, you have my projects. Just when you click on my work list, it just takes you to the my work list folder, where you have a task to perform, task to track, your scheduled tasks. When you click on my projects, it takes you to the project folder. And this is how my links, you can just save your hyperlinks here. If you have any web links you go through every day, you can just add your web link and just save it as a shortcut, it's like a bookmark on your Google Chrome. You have save searches. I think I don't have any save searches right now. You can save your custom searches, and you can save also your out of the box searches here. So let's get into the bottom section, where you have all your applications like structure manager, the change manager, you have the organization here, you have your access manager here. Just hover over the icons, you would see a brief description about the different applications. That's it for today guys. You know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and do hit the bell icon for notifications. And also comment down if you have any questions. Stay safe. Peace.